Good morning. We camped at do you know the name of the shelter? Your mom's shelter. This was the campground. Say hi, ladies.
Hi, ladies.
Good night's sleep.
John Hollow shelter.
John Hollow shelter. The birds woke us up.
Oh, get this on YouTube.
Oh! It was fine, guys. It got flicked off, but we're planning on doing about 18 miles today. Good 3-mile climb to start with, and rest should be easier today. Quotes around that, but show you the trail later. I don't know which mountain this is. We've been climbing for a while. It's a really beautiful view of the mountain over James River. Wow. Ooh. That's awesome. Wow. Oh, it's a big old river. Beautiful. So pretty. It's hot. That was a hard climb, but summited Big Rock Row, I think. At the base of Bluff Mountain, it's about a 0.8-mile climb, and then hopefully we'll be out of the weather before it hits at the shelter. It's so beautiful out though. That's sad. But we made it to Bluff. Up Bluff. The storm is certainly upon us. Oh my gosh. You see it? Right over there. Walking towards it. It's pretty. It looks like all hell's about to break loose. Well, that looks really cool. Alright, good afternoon. So, I got up and over Buff Mountain, but as I was coming down, it started to rain, and then it started to hail. Lightning and thunder ensued. Or at least thunder. Lightning was definitely striking, but I couldn't see any. So then we went to the shelter for a couple hours on the other side of the mountain to wait out the storm. And now we're on to hiking to the next shelter, 9.8 away. I was just walking here and kind of noticed what these flowers do, like with the weather. Even these little daisy looking things are kind of tilted down, but especially these guys. I don't remember the name of them right now, but they're all kind of tilted with their heads down, kind of like the trilliums were when there wasn't any sun. So today I also get to hit the 800-mile marker, so got my 799 point something. Keep my eyes out, hope I don't miss it. So I'll show you guys the thing when I see it. What do we got here? Hey yo, look at that. Looks like I gotta start watching my steps now. Oh, you're so pretty. You guys, everything green on either side of this bridge is Iliagnus. Invasive as hell. Sweet smelling. But quite awful. You can just tell that it gets traveled by the river or spread by the river or water. So bad. Fun bridge though. So quick update on the snake prank I tried to pull yesterday. Well, one, I never found out what type of snake that was. Haven't really had great service. And then two, he never actually opened, so he had pretty much set up his tent and sleep stuff. So he never went back into his bag. And the next morning, he was packing everything up and started putting stuff in there. And I was like, all right, I gotta tell you. so that way, like, when I find a smushed dead snake, I mean, he may not have ever found out that it was me, but I didn't think that was cool. But apparently my honesty wasn't good enough, because he said, I remember that. I said, at least I told you. Could have had a smushy dead snake in your bag. But I tried to pull a prank. It was a fail. Oh well. This one is smart and moving. It's so cute. I love seeing these. Wow, look at you hide under that creeper. Those adorable little orange salamander things, newts. I forget what they're called. I really hope I haven't been stepping on any, so I get bored looking at the ground. But they have been the highlight of today. I mean, the forest has been beautiful today overall, in just about every mile. But those guys are fun to see, just because you don't really see much wildlife. You hear a lot of birds, see spiders and gnats and stuff like that, all the little insects, but you don't see too many reptiles. I haven't seen a snake yet. I saw a toad the other day. Well, I've seen a dead snake, but that doesn't really count. I've just been hearing a lot more birds than seeing them, but and then some deer, nothing else. But overall, and a couple bunnies here and there. But yeah, those guys are great. I love them. And I think they're a sign of a good ecosystem or forest, something like that. I mean, they're pretty sensitive to like outside elements and pollution, so that's a good sign that I've been seeing them. So got me some mushroom risotto. Sent a quick text on my Garmin, just no service. And I think I messed up my headlamp. Oops.